G'day guys, well you're about to watch episode 105 where I am in Krabi. It was a beautiful place, what an amazing place, and this is real time right now. It is the 9th of June 2025 when I'm making this video. I am in San Salvador, El Salvador. What a beautiful country, and it has really been a blessing in many ways, and God is doing a great work. And I just wanted to say that what you're going to notice is, you know, as a Christian, our walk is, it's not like this, right? It's not like this. It's like this, okay? But as long as we're going upward and forward. And when I was in Krabi, I remember that was a time where I guess I wasn't as close as I could have been to God. I'd been struggling for a number of years. I was lonely. I was just feeling let down. There was a huge amount of pressure on me, and a lot of negative things had happened over the previous few years. And so I guess I was returning to God, but I still hadn't fully made, you know, that massive step back into God like I have now, and in the last year and a half since that point. It's been incredible. But you know, I just want you to know that it's very important to understand that the Christian walk is a day-by-day thing. And if you have, you know, fallen short, and you have, you know, backslidden, or you've fallen away from God, God loves you. He says He's married to the backslider, a person that once gave their heart to Jesus and slipped away. God loves you, and all you have to do is turn to Him. And I'm telling you, He will restore you like you cannot imagine. And in this episode 105, around right at that time, in my accommodation there in Krabi, was a real time I began to really say to the Lord, I want to fully come back to you, God. I want to fully come back and really come into your presence and really completely give my life and surrender it to you. And I did that. And you'll notice, I think you'll notice a change in my demeanor in the videos coming, and there's incredible things coming ahead that you're going to see. So, you know, hang in there guys. I'm going to keep the videos coming, maybe one every 3 days or something. I'm editing them away, and this one really is important to me. You'll see I met an American guy and some friends of his, and we walked there and we shared some time together, which was great. I'd never met them before. I just met them on the boat traveling across, and it was a blessed day. It really was. So guys, be encouraged. Don't feel down. Don't get down on yourself. Turn back to God. He loves you. His arms are outstretched wide for you, and He loves you. Turn back to the Lord and give Him all your heart and watch Him transform you. Let's continue forward. Remember that this is basically not just a YouTube channel. This is a documentary of my life. You're seeing it soon to be in real time. I think maybe within a month or so we'll be back to real time, maybe a little longer, but you'll see what I just wanted you to all see what's happened in the last 12 to 18 months, and be blessed by it, because great things are ahead guys. I'll see you. Enjoy the video, and God bless. Guys, oh, this. Check in. Hello.
Where are you going?
Hong Island.
Hong Island this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, this way. Check you in now.
Okay.
By speedboat or by long sailboat? Tell me your hotel name. Hotel. For that, you have to pay me for the island fee and sand fee national park. 200 baht per person for the boat.
Oh, look, we have little cookie. Oh, what is that? That looks interesting. Banana fruit. Everyone's still a bit sleepy. Good morning, guys. So guess what? We're going to Hong Island. They gave us a little lemon tea or some water. Oh, it looks pretty busy too, look. I think this is where everyone comes and they go to all different islands, so we're just going to one. Better, we can have a swim. I'll change the flap on the GoPro so I can take some footage. Hopefully there'll be some beautiful fish, that's what I'm hoping. We've got some banana fritter, some cookies, and a banana. Oh, that's nice. Done. Hong Island? Yes. Oh yeah. Hong Island, baby. Hello. Hi. Hong Island?
Yeah.
Yay. There's my friends. Hello. Oh, we might get watermelon. I wonder if that's our boat, the Barracuda. Look at it. So much better than those noisy long-tailed boats. Long-tail, look at that. Barracuda. In there. Okay, thanks, man. Oh yeah, it's cool. Can we go in the front? Go in the front. Oh, there's those jellyfish they talked about. Oh yeah, look. There's two of them. Wow. They do have the jellyfish here.
So guys, for the trip, my name is Alex. So the first island that we are going today, we are going to open sea snorkeling at Deng Island. Now we go to Deng Island for snorkeling. From here to get there, take about 10 or 15 minutes. We're going to Got Pakia. After Pakia Island, we will have lunch at Lading or Paradise Island. After lunch, Lading Island. Our last stop, we will go to Hong Island. So Hong Island is our last stop for the trip นะครับก็ยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่ทริปเกาะฮ้องในวันนี้ซึ่งผมรับหน้าที่เป็นไกด์นะครับผมชื่อไกด์อเล็กซ์ผมเดี๋ยวที่แรกที่เราจะไปวันนี้ก็คือเกาะแดงสำหรับดำน้ำดูปะการังครับผมใช้เวลาเดินทางจากฝั่งประมาณ10
I think I got done by a jellyfish getting in the boat.
ให้นั่งอยู่ประจำที่นะครับอย่าเดินไว้ยืนนะครับเพราะท่านอาจจะหกล้มได้ครับผมด้านนอกมีคลื่นจากเรือลำอื่นนะครับหลังจากเกาะแดงนะครับเรือที่สองเราจะถ่ายรูป
Doesn't hurt that much.
หลังจากเกาะผักเปี้ยทางเข้าที่เกาะลาดิงและส่วนสุดท้ายจะเป็นเกาะฮ้องนะครับสำหรับที่จะเรียนเฟส
around half an hour.
Oh, that's good.
30 minutes.
Right.
So please swim only inside the orange color ball. That's the safe
Okay.
area for swimming and snorkeling. Do not climbing, touch or step on the rocks or very sharp rock. If you want to bring the life jacket, you can take it from the boat. And the snorkel, you can borrow for free. No need to pay more.
So it's pretty deep. I don't know if I can go all the way down there. Look how deep it is. I don't know. It's going to be interesting. Let's see. I think that's about 5 meters down there. I don't know if I can go to the bottom. That's crazy deep. That is so deep. Say it's not going to win any National Geographic awards, this video, because it's very murky, and it's deep. I want to try and go down, but I want to see if I can find a spot I can do that. Let's see. Let's go.
Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, we are arriving home lagoon already. This is lagoon of Hong Island. Our boat is not stopping here. We will not get off the boat here, but now we will go around inside the lagoon for sightseeing and meet more. Welcome inside this area. When the water is slow down.
Oh, it's really shallow here. Breathe, breathe. You're good, you're good. That was... So, at low tide the guy was saying all this water will rush out and there's no water in it. It's like a money-making machine. They're just coming in and they're going in a circle and going back out. Woo! Thailand cashing in the cookies.
Arriving Pakbia Island, already meaning of Pakbia is a kind of local vegetable in Krabi.
Yeah, I don't know what this is. National Park. National Park. Tell you what, they got it down to a science. I'm not going under it. If you have a look how much weight is actually on this side of it, look. It's only been held by that girl. It won't be while I'm under it. Look, I hit myself on the coral. Scraped me. Like a bag. Look at all the jellyfish over here. That's scary. Oh my goodness. Oh look, the fish are eating one.
This is a different company.
We'll just get like a
Maybe we just get a bologna sandwich.
rice and noodle or something. Hey, look at this guy. He's off. See you later. Oh, they're on that yacht. That snorkel spot was a little bit tough. It was too deep.
Did yours leak?
Where?
Yeah, my biting piece.
They always fill with water.
Yeah, it wasn't good.
Yeah. And really too deep.
Yeah.
Like, let's get some shade, guys. What's up? Analysis of the Hong tour so far, what do you reckon? Good, I like it. I mean, look, this little beach is a little bit, you know, let's throw you off here. Let's throw you off here and call it another island, but it's okay. It's relaxing. I think great decision to take the speedboat. That's the best decision, because when I see those little long-tail boats, they're just like, and they're so loud and they're slow. And it was a fair way, you know, it's only 12 kilometers to Hong Island, but we're not even there yet. And it's pretty rough. I don't get seasick, but a poor girl that was sitting in opposite me, she was ready to. And I asked the guy, have you got a bucket? He goes, no. I said, you got to give her something. She was like really ready to. I told her just breathe and try and keep your eye focused on one of the distant mountains. Anyway, we got her a plastic bag. Oh, I'm looking forward to Hong Island. I reckon it'll be good. And see what the lunch will be like. I hope it's not just like a rice box. Anyway, I'll be grateful for anything because I'm very hungry. I'll tell you what I feel like right now. Just crack open one cold beer. That's stinging. I smacked it on the coral. Well, howdy, ma'am. Howdy, ma'am. Alright, don't forget, if you're not subscribed, and you subscribe, blessings to you. That's what I'm talking about. Islands of Thailand. Back at ya. Have a look at that thing with 3 outboards. Okay, now we're going Hong Island. Let's go. I know, right?
Oh boy, you can lie here now.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
But it's a lot, the water looks so much cleaner
Yeah.
here. Like, not as murky.
The fish are eating the jellyfish.
Yeah, I saw that in the other one as well.
Yeah, they're over here eating it too.
Oh yeah, look.
Yeah.
That's good that they're eating it.
Yeah.
That's gonna look nice and clean. Yeah, it looks really good. This is not Hong Island. This is little baby something. But we're gonna have lunch. Look at this, guys. So pretty, so pretty. Imagine just rocking up here one day and finding this when it was just no one that was here before. Look. Oh, beautiful. Oh, nice.
Looks like it'd be pretty interesting though.
So beautiful. I love this. This is so. Oh, the sand is nice. Look at the sand. Wow. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Imagine just rocking up here 100 years ago, no one's here, and you just like stumbled across this. And you're like, what? How amazing. Look at this. It's like this granite. It's just incredible. What's up? What's up? Unbelievable here. Look at it. I like it. Let's go under. Oh, you found an old bottle.
Oh, it's good. It's got to be old because look at that, the coral on top.
Oh
there.
yeah, right?
I wonder what the hell this is.
You can try and clean it up, I think. It's got something written?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I have no idea.
Big flippy. Oh, hey, there's parrotfish over here. Parrotfish. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. See those? Let's go down. Lunchtime. Oh, it's not just rice box, which is good. Good?
Masaman.
Massaman. Oh, nice.
Mussel?
Masaman.
Masaman.
It's Thai local curry.
Alright, we'll get some massaman curry. Lunch.
You have food service too.
Hanbokkorani National Park.
She said there's a better spot.
Yeah, let's go.
Together.
Long Island viewpoint. Oh, that's the viewpoint. Oh, look at that.
The temple. Have to walk in like this. Go up. The last time when I go to the temple is 1,650.
Okay. I think one of the fellow travelers. Okay, Nancy, right?
Yes.
Nancy's leading. All right. We're trusting Nancy. It's going to be easy. Look, it's just all stairs. Okay. I need exercise. Let's go. Oh my goodness, it's steep. Feeling it. If you lean backwards, you're like falling. I don't know, Nancy. I don't know about your idea, Nancy. I'm careful what I'm doing here. This is steep, guys. Crazy steep. Right, that's crazy hard. That's crazy hard. That's crazy hard. Look at this. Wow. Still up here. Well, I tell you what, that was steep. You can see the sweat. Wow, that's full on. It's a hard walk. Consider that. If you come into that.
Video.
Yeah, video is there. Yeah, it's going now. It's up. It's
Okay.
on. Look at this. Okay, I don't get okay. So steep. You're nearly there. Keep going. It's not easy. Oh, my legs feel all shaky now. My legs feel like jelly, guys. It's like no strength in them. Damn. You're nearly there. Keep close. Close but painful. I feel like my legs are jelly now. No, you're very close. Only over 300 more steps. No.
Okay.
No. A little bit to go. No, you're nearly there. Oh, Nancy. Troublemaker. I like this. 2 crosses.
Oh, thank you.
Look at this. Steep as anything. Tell them the good news, Nancy. She told them almost there. Oh, that's agony. That's not very nice. Nancy. Oh, Nancy. It's not very nice, Nancy.
Yeah, so steep.
Oh, yeah. You're nearly there. Nearly there, Nancy. You're so mean. She's so mean. Tell them nearly there. Just a little bit to go. Oh, my legs have gone to jelly. I'll have buns of steel after that. Buns of steel. Steel in my buns. Because it makes you want to go for a swim. You know what I'm saying? It makes the swim delicious. Nancy is working in the army for the soldiers, training soldiers. Okay, where are they? You like my towel? Have a look at it on the sand. Yeah. Have a lay down. Oh, I'm really. And what's hard is when you're on the way down, right? And your legs are shaking.
Yeah.
So how long was the temple one?
It's 1,300 steps.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
But the steps are like this. You're like, it's like that.
So I'm never doing temple ever. Never.
Temple is 1,200.
This is so delicious. Strawberry and pineapple. Wow, look at that beautiful boat out there.
Yeah, we were talking about.
Oh, look how nice that is.